Eating grapes has many benefits. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Indeed, eating grapes can offer a variety of health benefits due to their nutritional content and the presence of certain compounds. Here are some potential benefits of consuming grapes. Antioxidant properties. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, such as resveratrol and flavonoids, which help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants may contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Heart health. Resveratrol, a compound found in grapes, has been associated with cardiovascular benefits. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in grapes, particularly resveratrol, have been studied for their potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent certain types of cancers, such as breast and colon cancer. Digestive health. Grapes contain dietary fiber, which can support healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Immune system support. Grapes are a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. Brain health. Resveratrol and other compounds in grapes may have neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and supporting cognitive function. Skin health. The antioxidants in grapes can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation and environmental pollutants, contributing to healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Weight management. Grapes are low in calories and fat, making them a suitable snack for those looking to manage their weight. Bone health. Grapes contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Diabetes management. Some studies suggest that resveratrol may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes. It's important to note that while grapes can offer these potential benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced and varied diet. Additionally, individual responses to dietary components may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos, and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.